Okay, drafting a double-breasted blazer jacket. Double-breasted garments feature two parallel columns of buttons on the front, with one column overlapping the other when the garment is buttoned. This style is often perceived as more formal and structured, making it suitable for business attire and formal occasions. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to TOPTS. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of drafting double-breasted blazer jacket step by step. Not only that, we are also going to explore the fine art of achieving the perfect double-breasted overlap in garment construction. Whether you are designing a coat, blazer, or a jacket, getting the overlap right is the key for a cultured and fashionable look. This is because classic garments display complexity and style when you apply accurate measurements and attention to detail. So, by the end of this blazer coat stroke jacket series, you will be able to create a tailored jacket that fits perfectly. My kind request is you watch all the episodes up to the end so that you are not left behind. Without wasting time, ladies and gentlemen, let us get started. When drafting the back, front, and side panels for a garment, several steps are involved. Step 1. Taking body measurements. Let us see the measurements needed for drafting the jacket. You will need these measurements. Step 2. Drafting the back panel. The back panel is a primary stroke foundational element in the construction of jackets and coats. It contributes to its structure, fit, and overall design. A well-drafted back panel pattern is vital for achieving a garment that is both stylish and comfortable to be dressed in. Okay, that is it. Let us dive into step 2A. Step 2A, establishing the back panel lengths. This.